Alrighty, those are just 8 of our Pillsbury Grands biscuits. Now I'm coming in with my frozen hash browns, and I'm gonna place about 8 of these into our greased 13 by 9 just on top of those biscuits. Now I've just got some breakfast sausage that I already cooked, and I'm just gonna layer all this in here. I cooked it yesterday, and then, well, we had a family emergency, so we didn't get around to breakfast, but good thing we're using it now. All right, now I've got 9 large eggs here, a little bit of pepper. I'm just doing the traditional way, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder. Ooh, garlic powder smells so good, doesn't it, Marty?
It sure does.
It's the best time of year for it because it's vampire season. So we got to make sure we have our garlic supplements, and we're keeping the vampires away. Isn't this so cool? I love this little egg whipper. It just works so great. You can use it in your milk and your coffee, and you can use it in your eggs and just anything that you kind of want to mix up like that. Love it. Alrighty, I'm just gonna pour this right on top here. It's gonna soak down through that breakfast sausage, all over those biscuits, all over our hash browns. And now I'm just coming in with some medium cheddar Tillamook. And I'm gonna give this a nice little sprinkle here. This is just a 1 pound bag. Of course, use whatever cheese you like, whatever cheese you prefer. I love this Tillamook. It is just so delicious, melts in your mouth, yummy, 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 extra cheesy. And I'm gonna add a little bit of the Tillamook sharp cheddar on top too. Look at this. Whee! That looks so good. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this in my oven, 375 for about 45 minutes, and then it'll be a good morning. Alrighty, y'all. We had this cooking in our oven for 45 minutes. Look at that gorgeous, cheesy crust. We've got those eggs underneath, and our breakfast sausage, our biscuits, and our hash browns. A complete all in one breakfast. And I'm just gonna cut right in here with my metal spatula. Yes. Oh, I can't wait. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so good. All right, we just gotta get underneath this baby. Look at that. Oh my God, if that isn't the most hearty, delicious breakfast, what are you gonna do? You can't tell me this doesn't look absolutely incredible. All right, y'all, you can put some sriracha on here, some, sometimes I like to put salsa on my breakfast. Let me get a big bite here. All right, y'all, so easy, so good. You gotta try it.